In this video, we learn how to use the Advanced Replace in Bibledit. We click on Search in the main menu, then on Advanced Replace. Here we enter the word or words to search for example sleep. We also enter the words to replace it with, for example rest. There is also an option for a case-sensitive search. We can search in the main text, or in the underlying USFM code. The USFM is the file which has the codes. Click Preview to see a preview of how it is going to look after replace. It shows both the text before and the text after the replace. The results are all on the page. These results are not automatically entered into the text. We need to take action here. We can replace the results one by one. We click the tick to do that. Or we click Apply All to replace all of the results in one go. Just to be sure that the replacement went fine, we may do another search. If all went well, nothing should show up. When it cannot succeed in replacing a result, it will give a red warning. Usually this is caused by USFM codes, which are in the way. The remedy is to manually replace those cases where there is a red warning. To do this manually, we will have to go to one of the editors and look for the text to be edited. This is how to use the Advanced Replace in Bibledit. Thank you for watching.